A social media content calendar is essential for strategic planning. It helps organize posts, ensuring consistent engagement and efficient workflow. By scheduling content in advance, you can focus on creative strategies rather than daily tasks. This tool is crucial for maintaining brand voice and values, while facilitating team collaboration and preventing costly mistakes. A social media content calendar enhances time efficiency by organizing posts in advance, freeing up resources for creative strategy. It ensures consistent posting, building audience trust, and signaling platform algorithms of your account's value. Additionally, it protects your brand through review workflows and fosters team collaboration, keeping everyone aligned on content strategy. A social media content calendar is your strategic command center, detailing upcoming posts with dates, times, and content specifics. It centralizes your social media strategy, including post copy, hashtags, media assets, and platform-specific notes, transforming chaotic content creation into an organized, strategic operation that drives measurable results. Social media content calendars come in various forms. Spreadsheet-based options like Google Sheets or Excel are ideal for small teams due to their flexibility and low cost. Collaborative tools such as Notion and ClickUp cater to mid-sized teams with task management features. For enterprises, platforms like Sprout Social offer automation and advanced analytics. Include scheduling details with optimized post times for peak engagement. Specify content type, image, video, or live stream for asset preparation. Use campaign tags for strategic alignment. Ensure ready copy with approved captions and hashtags. Assign team roles for clear ownership and track status from draft to publication. Begin by auditing your current performance to understand posting frequency and engagement rates. Define clear goals and select platforms based on audience and business priorities. Gather all content assets into a centralized library. Map out important dates like campaigns and holidays. Finally, schedule complete posts with all necessary elements for each platform. Begin by importing a free Notion content calendar template with pre-built database structures. Customize views to switch between calendar, table, and gallery formats for strategic visualization. Add detailed post entries, including captions, media, and campaign tags. Manage workflow using filters, sorting, and automated reminders to track deadlines and ensure timely reviews. A sample monthly content calendar overview uses color-coded tags for easy identification of campaign types, such as promotional and educational content. The timeline highlights peak posting days, aligning with audience activity patterns, and identifies content gaps to ensure a consistent presence across Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Optimizing posting times is crucial for maximizing engagement. Instagram peaks at 11 a.m. and 7 to 9 p.m. on weekdays, while Facebook sees the most activity Tuesday to Thursday from 1 to 3 p.m. TikTok performs best in the evenings, 7 to 11 p.m. Prioritize quality over quantity by posting 3 to 5 high-quality pieces weekly. Regularly review analytics to adapt to audience behavior shifts. Integrating an approval workflow streamlines content creation. Designers draft posts, which team leads review for brand alignment. Feedback is tracked through version control, ensuring accuracy. Final approval by managers ensures strategic fit. Tools like Sprout Social and Airtable facilitate this process, reducing errors and maintaining brand consistency before publication. Shared visibility in a content calendar eliminates last-minute scrambles, allowing teams to plan complementary activities. Clear accountability through assigned roles enhances ownership, ensuring tasks are completed. Cross-department coordination aligns sales, marketing, and customer service efforts, while a centralized planning hub reduces conflicts by preventing overlapping messages and competing campaigns. A mid-sized e-commerce brand faced chaotic posting schedules and inconsistent messaging across social platforms. By adopting Metricool's integrated calendar, they centralized content planning, enabling 2-week advanced scheduling and automated publishing. This led to a 30% increase in engagement and a 25% reduction in time spent on manual tasks within 3 months. Automation in social media scheduling enhances efficiency. Using Sprout Social API, you can programmatically schedule posts, authenticate with your API key, set headers, and define post data. This method ensures consistent content delivery, crucial for maintaining engagement and brand presence across platforms. Metricool's calendar offers a comprehensive view of your scheduled week, featuring thumbnail previews, platform icons, and status indicators. Color coding helps maintain a balanced content mix. The integrated analytics dashboard provides real-time engagement trends and performance comparisons, enabling data-driven scheduling decisions to optimize content types and posting times for maximum impact. Strategic planning with a content calendar saves over 10 hours weekly and boosts engagement threefold by maintaining a consistent posting schedule. Protect your brand by implementing review processes to avoid costly errors. Start with free templates from Notion or Google Sheets, and explore advanced tools like Sprout Social for automation and analytics.